This is a used 2013 Ford F-150, powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a six-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 20,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, keyless entry, split rear seats, an MP3 player, air conditioning. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.